To maintain efficient operational condition, nitrogen plant filters are set to be replaced every 6 months. The nitrogen plant system onboard provides inert gas to blanket tanks and maintain atmosphere below lower explosive limits. The replacement job involves removing old filters and installing new spares according to specific chamber markings. The filters serve as a trap for condensates and other impurities present within the system. The next job involves the nitrogen compressors. Pre-maintenance check is always in place prior to any jobs. Lockout and tagout and depressurizing the system. Lubricating oil serves as the cooling medium for the compressors to continue running at high RPM and high load requirements. Common problem is the high outlet temperature, which is usually due to poor cooling effect of lube oil, less quantity on the system due to leakage, or not enough pressure to circulate due to clogged filters. That's why filter replacement job is needed. The job requires qualified personnel to dismantle and reassemble the parts. Careful checks on the O-rings and contact surfaces must be carried out to avoid leakages during operation. The system works at 10 to 12 bars during operation, and poor quality replacement or distorted O-rings may cause heavy leakage for the system. Also, like in any other jobs, maintaining high quality of cleanliness on machinery parts is a must. After the renewal of lube oil and filter replacements, the system was put to normal setup and was run tested. Post-maintenance test is required to make sure that the system works according to its purpose. Operational checks on leakages, excessive vibrations, high temperatures and pressures shall be recorded and must be given due attention immediately.
If you learned from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Find us on Facebook and read more at Marine Engineering 101 blog site. This has been Marine Engineering 101. Follow for more.